Welcome to my channel Sparkle Mind. In this video, we will see the Senior Grade Accountancy Exam questions solution. Single entry questions in paper 1. Single entry part 1 Government Technical Examination questions solution. Here, this question is asked in the year February 2021. The position of Madhavan's business as on 1st January 1993 was as under: Sundry creditors rupees 1,70,000, freehold premises rupees 5 lakhs, stock rupees 2,50,000, sundry debtors rupees 2 lakhs, furniture 20,000. An abstract of the cash book is appended below. Receipt and payment. Receipt, sundry debtors 1 lakh, cash sales 8 lakh, totally 9,50,000. Payment side, overdrafts as on 1/1/93 1 lakh, expenses 5 lakhs, drawings 30,000, sundry creditors 2 lakhs, cash in hand 20,000, bank 1 lakh. The following additional information is available. Closing stock rupees 3 lakh, closing debtors rupees 2,50,000, creditors 1,20,000. No additions were made during the year. No additions were made during the year. To premises and furniture. But they are depreciated at 10% and 15% respectively. A bad debts provision 2.5% to be raised. Prepare a trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet for the year ended 31st December 1993 and a balance sheet as on that date. So, in this problem, we have to prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So, balance sheet, we have to prepare balance sheet. The following ledgers should be prepared. In this question given above, the following ledgers should be prepared to find out the missing details. Statement of affairs in the beginning to find out opening capital, total debtors ledger and total creditors ledger to find out credit sales and credit purchases respectively. So, first we can open the necessary ledgers. Here working notes, see the working notes. To find out credit purchase, total creditors account particulars, to cash paid to creditors 2 lakhs given, to balance carried down, that is closing creditor 1,20,000 is given, and opening balance, opening creditors is 1,70,000 is also given. Here balancing figure 1,50,000 is credit purchases. Balancing figure is credit purchases. So total purchase, cash purchase nil. So cash purchase nils na in the cash book la purchases, payment side la purchases illa, payment to creditors only 2 lakhs irukku. So purchases illathanala cash purchases nil. And credit purchase 1,50,000 already found out. Therefore total purchase 1,50,000. Like that, to find out credit sales, we have to open total debtors ledger. So total debtors ledger. So debit side we have to open the balance, opening balance in the debit side. To balance brought down 2 lakhs is given. Cash paid to debtors 1,50,000 is given in the cash book. Closing debtor is given 2,50,000. Therefore here missing balancing figure 2 lakhs is equal to sales, credit sales. Balancing amount, credit sales. So total sales, cash sales 8 lakhs given in the cash book. Credit sales 2 lakh. Total sales 10 lakhs. So we have prepared the trading account. So trading account, first opening stock 2,50,000. To purchases as per working note 1,50,000. Here by sales as per working note to 10 lakhs. Closing stock is given 3 lakhs. So gross profit 9 lakhs. By GP brought down. Nine lakhs. Here payment side expenses 5 lakhs. Depreciation is given. Depreciation for premises and furniture, refer working note 3. Premises 5 lakhs is in the balance sheet. Depreciation 10%. So 10% depreciation 50,000. Furniture 20,000. Depreciation 15%. 3,000 rupees. Like that provision for debtors is given. Sundry debtors 2,50,000. Bad debts provision 2.5%. Here provision for bad debts 6,250. Here provision for bad debts is calculated only from closing balance debtor. Sundry debtors in the closing ல 2 lakhs இருக்கு. Opening stock, sundry creditor, opening. Closing debtors 2,50,000 இருக்கு. Opening debtors 2 lakh தான் இருக்கு. பட் க்ளோசிங்கில் 2,50,000 இருக்கிறதுனால அந்த க்ளோசிங் டெட்டார் 2,50,000 தான் we have to prepare the provision. So depreciation as per working note 3, premises 50,000, furniture 3,000. Provision for bad debts working note as per working note 4, 6,250. So net profit 3,40,750. This will transfer to the balance sheet. Balance sheet of Madhavan as on 31st December 1993. So we have the balance sheet. Opening capital is here missing. Therefore, as per working note 5, to calculation of opening capital, we should prepare statement of affairs as on 1/93. So, liabilities asset, freehold premises 5 lakhs, closing stock 2,50,000, debtors for 2 lakhs, furniture 20,000. Here cash and the overdraft balance is given. Therefore, it is liability, becomes liability. Bank overdraft 1 lakh, sundry creditors 1,70,000. So, balancing figure 7 lakhs is a capital. So, capital in the beginning is find out. Sundry creditors 1,20,000, capital 7 lakhs, add net profit 3,47,750. So, totally 10,40,750. Here drawings is given 30,000. 10,10,750. total 11,30,750. Here asset side, cash in hand 20,000, cash at bank 1 lakh, closing stock 3 lakhs, debtors 2 lakh 50, provision 6,250, balance amount 2 lakh 43,750. Freehold premises less depreciation we get 4 lakh 50,000, furniture less depreciation 17,000. So overall total 11 lakhs 30,750. So next one, February 2025 question. From the following particulars of Mr. Karan, who keeps his books on single entry, prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet for the year ended 31/12/24. So particulars as on 1/1/24 and 31/12/24 is given. Machinery 18,000, here also 18,000. Stock beginning 8,000, ending 7,000. Debtors in the beginning 2,000. Debtors at the end 3,000. Creditors 5,000, end 4,000. Cash in hand 4,660, year end 5,120. The following transactions took place during year ended 31/12/2024. So wages 6,000, printing expenses 1,120, lighting expenses 780, carriage 1,680, cash collected from customers 82,500, sundry expenses 2,500, rent 2,500, cash purchases 64,340, purchases returns 1,000. During the year, Mr. Karan had taken goods from business for his own use amounted to 780. He had not paid any money into the business. So he withdrawal goods for his personal use. So it should be treated as a drawing. He had also taken cash 3,120 for domestic expenses. Prepare trading and profit and loss account. First, we have to find out the missing details. To find out opening capital, prepare statement of affairs in the beginning. To find out credit purchases or credit sales, if any, we will open sundry creditors ledger and sundry debtors ledger. In this problem, cash book is not given in the proper form. So we have to prepare cash book ledger also. So cash transaction only is given. It is not in the proper form. So we have to find out cash book also. Also, we should keep in mind drawings. If goods are withdrawn for personal use, it should be subtracted from the purchases account and in the balance sheet along with the cash withdrawals. This is the key point. We have to note at this one. If goods are drawn for personal use, it should be always subtracted from the purchases. And as well as in balance sheet along with the cash withdrawals if any. So first we have to prepare the missing figures. Working note 1, total debtors account. Debtors ledger na debit side start panano. So balance brought on begin 2,000 and cash received from debtors. Cash received from debtors credit 82,500 given. By balance carried down, closing debtor is given 3,000. Therefore, credit sales 83,500. Then, credit sales 83,500. Cash sales is not given. Returns also not given. Therefore, total sales 83,500. Total sales 83,500. $83,500. Closing stock 7,000 is given. Opening stock 8,000. Purchases less purchases returns. Working note 2 62,560 as per working note 2. So total creditors ledger by balance brought down opening 5,000. Here purchases return is given 1,000. Cash paid to creditors is not given. Closing creditor is 4,000 is given. Therefore, credit purchases here nil. Then cash purchases is given 64,340. Credit purchases nil. Less purchases return 1,000 and goods taken for domestic purpose. Here goods taken for domestic purpose is not paid any amount to the business. Therefore, it should be subtracted from the purchases 780. So, total purchases 62,560. Wages is given 6,000, carriage is 16,660. Here closing stock is given. So balance gross profit 12,260. Then gross profit brought down 12,260. Here expenses are Sunday expenses. All expenses debit side. So 2,500. Printing 1,120. To rent 2,500 given. Lightning 780 is given. Therefore, balancing net profit 5,360. So, now we have to prepare balance sheet of Mr. Karan as on 31/12/24. Capital in the beginning as per working note 4. Statement of affairs as on 1/1/24. Liabilities. Creditor 5,000 is given. Assets machinery 18,000. Stock 8,000. Debtors 2,000. Cash 4,600. So balance capital 27,660. Add net profit 5,360. Less drawings 780. Goods withdrawal 3,120. Cash payment withdrawal. Cash withdrawal. See here cash book. Drawings. This one is cash withdrawal. Here cash purchase is also given. These are all expenses. Cash received from customer is also given. Okay. So total balance capital 29,120. Creditor 4,000. So totally 33,120. Here machinery 18,000. Stock 7,000. Debtors 3,000. Cash 5,120. Total 33,120. Kindly share this video to your friends. Thank you.